jelly babies and you're not eating them.
I ate them. The thing is, I don't know if you know, I'm in charge of GoPro phone.
Oh my goodness, man.
And you want me in charge of jelly baby? What? You want me to eat all the jelly babies? That's fine.
No.
I'll turn my heating down while I'm at it.
Can you open that quietly? You're disturbing my sleep.
Good.
Why do they say double trouble? Oh, but they did. Oh,
they're
they stuck together once. Oh, thank you.
It means are you going to separate them? Yeah, I thought so.
Go eat head first.
I ate a whole.
I ate the white ones.
Have you just gone for head first?
No, I'm eating both heads.
Cool.
Get a combination of flavours though. Flavours.
All this footage is going to compare of is us slopping now. Just.
Speak for yourself. Oh. That's ironic.
Does this class then as double trouble?
Wait, what?
Awkward.
One's head down, the other's. God, I'm not even sure.
Is that? I don't want to say what that could be, but.
Jelly baby's doing rude.
It's a number in between 70 and 68. With the fact they're stuck together, do they now count as one? So is this one jelly baby? Because if it is,
no, two jelly babies.
Oh, is it still two jelly babies? Because that's annoying. Because if it's one, I'm eating one jelly baby, but I'm getting double.
Ooh,
it's
not
like,
sure.
Is this a one portion?
Oh, that confuses my brain.
Can you imagine if this stuff hit the underside of the car?
Something beautifully.
Oh wow, I got 4 together.
Jealous. Good colours as well. Oh, I got.
Oh wow, you've got a bundle.
I was going to call it that, rude.
That's why I called it a bundle before you got a chance to. By the way, these are quite sharp.
Yeah, they are. I've got a pack of jelly babies all stuck together. These are sharper than you.
Anything sharper than me.
The circle's sharper.
Exactly.
Which is so cool.
Oncoming rangy.
If I went for a piss in that field, would I get shot?
Probably.
It'll unfair to send him off road and keep on the track, wouldn't it?
I like the fact he actually put 2 wheels on the grass. Shocked.
I mean, he did go to some effort. He put 2 wheels on the grass, but that's probably devalued it by about 10k now.
It didn't look like he was going to stop anyway.
Loads of cows down there.
Cows.
Cows.
They're at the bottom of the hill. They're bottom of the hill cows.
They're low value ones.
Yeah, they're the Tesco value.
Tesco value cows.
The premium brand, the Cravendale cows.
Cravendale.
They
They
live at the top of the hill.
The hill.
Yeah, the hill. And that's what they say down these parts. They say everything a bit differently.
They talk funner.
They talk funner. Joel, you talk funner.
Everyone talks funner. Then again, everyone down here is going to think we talk funny when you think about it.
No, they just think that's an awful, annoying accent.
Yeah.
That's really like...
Especially from you.
It's like blackboard, nails down the blackboard, scratching accent.
My sock still fell inside my welly.
Cool, sock update 101.
It hasn't sorted itself out yet. I should have done it when I got the sweets out, but I didn't. Prioritised your coffee and the sweets.
Good. I'm going to have a sip of that shortly. I'm waiting for there to be a massive dip.
Anyone at the end of the day wants a challenging lane to try, then there is this one on the left. We'll be quite close to here when we finish up, so if anyone wants to do it, you're very welcome to come along and I'll give it a go as well.
When you say challenging, do you mean Joel challenging as in impossible, or challenging as in just hard work?
It's quite deep, chalky ruts, so fairly solid underneath, and a bit bouncy on your tank and sump guard. We'll only do that one right at the end for anyone who's wanting it. You know. I'll be a definite pass.
What did she say?
I'll be a definite pass.
Oh. I must want to do it.
Stuck, so Gary can try his winch.
That's the thing. I feel like there's how many winches on this? 3?
2. Yeah, no,
We'll
2.
see Gary and Joel have a tug of war.
There's 2 winches. There's one right at the front, one right at the back.
Oh,
That's
that's quite
ironic.
We're tugging off with him.
I think he's got one as
No.
well.
It's not a winch.
Oh no, because I get confused with
Yeah,
soft
it's
track
not a
I think.
winch.
But it looks like a winch. Or I'm mistaken.
Yeah,
for
you
a
thought
winch.
it was a winch and it
Yeah.
wasn't.
Do you want to try something? It's really good.
It smells strong. Well, not strong, but it smells like coffee. I know that sounds stupid.
Did you hear it again?
Yeah. I can't not hear it now I've heard it.
Excuse you. Number 5
Bit
or
of
4?
wrong with that one. I think
Nice.
I think that was number 3 actually.
By the way, we've got Jelly Baby review.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
on.
Wait, what review of them?
Review of the Jelly Babies.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to have another one to like review. Bear with me. Oh look, these ones look. They look perfect. Oh no, he's got smushed in head.
That'd be like me then.
Look, tanks crossing.
Oh wow.
See, I told you.
You weren't going mad.
I weren't going mad because these are the things that I saw. But
Mod vehicles.
no, you can't see it along here.
Could you imagine if you literally stopped and there's like 3 or 4 tanks just crossing the road?
Right, Jelly Baby review.
Yeah.
Bit both heads off. Head tastes good.
Texture.
Good Jelly Baby texture. Nice, soft texture. Chewy.
Soft, not firm.
Chewy, but not too chewy. But not too soft that it's a bit annoying.
Yeah.
But not too hard that it's just an endurance.
Yeah.
If we turned right there, that would send you off into the middle of the range we've just driven along the side of, and that would put you at Imber.
Ooh.
That's quite cool.
Yeah, not too hard. Nice flavouring.
Yeah.
Clear to the right.
But you've not given it a score out of 10.
Haven't quite finished. I've
Oh.
still got 3/4 of a buck Jelly Baby. Out of 10, solid 9.5.
Better than single Jelly Babies or worse?
About I feel like you can't beat the traditional Jelly Baby.
No. So is that a 10?
The traditional one is a 10. They're a solid 9.5 just because they're not quite traditional.
I see. Well, there we have it, folks.
Jelly Baby reviews with me.
Or food reviews.
Go on.
Off the beaten track food reviews. Reviews. Oolay-voo. Car coming. Wow. There's a big sign there that's like a government thing, and it's like got loads of writing on.
Ooh.